Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Then you have to find and select the settings. So here I have the settings right here. Scroll down and select language and input. Choose language from the top of the screen. And here you need to use one of the following languages. So in my case, let me just switch my language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Espanol. And right now, as you can see, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. So now if you would like to go back, let's find and select the ajustes right here, scroll down and tap idioma y entrada de texto. Tap idioma one more time from the top of the list, and here you have to choose the English, for instance, from United Kingdom, and as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and basically everything goes back to English. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.